Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Judy Sim.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Oracle OpenWorld. OpenWorld has really grown to be the most important business and technology conference in the industry, and this year we are promising to make it our very best. I wanted to spend just a few minutes giving you some of the highlights and then some of my tips on how to best navigate the week. OpenWorld is really where our Oracle community gathers to network. We have fun, but most importantly, we are here to learn. We've got over 2,500 educational sessions. In fact, 4 days spent here at OpenWorld is the equivalent of 1 year of continuing education. And every session, it has our customer stories and our use cases in them. There is simply no better way to understand the value of Oracle Cloud rather than hearing it directly through those customers and through those stories. So no matter where you are on your path to the cloud, we have sessions that are designed specifically for you. This year, we've really focused on the how. If you're a cloud native, we have sessions that are designed on how to implement and how to optimize your cloud environment. If you're planning or you're in the middle of your move to the cloud, we have sessions, workshops, and training that will help you with your planning of the move, the migrating of your first workload, building, operating, and deploying applications all in the cloud. Now, Larry Ellison is our Chief Technology Officer. He's delivering our technology strategy over 2 keynotes this week. The first one is today, and it's all about the next generation of cloud computing and autonomous database. Then he's going to be back here again on Wednesday at 2 o'clock, talking about our strategy for SaaS applications. I got a chance to see that demo backstage. There's some really cool voice interfaces for our business applications, both HR and finance. Mark Hurd is going to be here tomorrow morning on this stage at 9 a.m. He's going to start, as he always does, with a little bit of that big picture. He's hosting a discussion about some of the geopolitical issues that are driving our cloud economy, business, and IT. And then, of course, how technology is going to continue to be the driver behind our economy. Then he's going to get joined with some of the biggest names in business: AT&T, FedEx, CERN, Cisco, and Cummins. You're going to hear directly from them how they're leading their businesses with Oracle Cloud. Wednesday, it's a new keynote. This keynote is focused on today's increasingly important topic of security. Check out this lineup that we have. It's Jay Johnson, former head of the Department of Homeland Security. General Michael Hayden is going to be here. He's the former director for NSA and the former director for the CIA as well. Sir John Scarlett, he was the chief of the British Secret Intelligence Service, or the MI6. You won't want to miss this keynote. And our very own chief corporate architect, Edward Screven. Mark Hurd is going to moderate this discussion with topics like cybersecurity threats and security infrastructure. Now, new this year is Code 1. This is our developer conference, which really takes the best of Java 1 and it's combining it with Oracle's full developer community. So yes, this is going to be a big event. There's 635 technical sessions, 3 keynotes, 50 hands-on labs, tutorials, zip labs, Ignite, Birds of a Feather sessions. We are running OpenWorld and Code 1 side by side, and if you have a full conference badge for either one of those events, that will give you access to both of them. You can also sign up to trial Oracle Cloud, both at Code 1 as well as outside of this keynote hall as you're exiting. Create an autonomous database instance in just 3 clicks. The Code 1 keynotes are on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 5 o'clock, and they're here in this same room. On Monday, the focus is going to be on Java. Oracle Java experts Mark Reinhold, George Saab will be here with 2 experts from GitHub. Tuesday's Code keynote, it's a fireside chat with Guido van Rossum, best known as the author of Python, and also the creators of Hadoop and Kafka. Wednesday, it's the ever-popular community keynote, Groundbreakers, the Code Avengers. Kind of sounds like a new movie. Not to be missed, Groundbreakers Hub. It's in Moscone West. And we do have some really awesome experiential demos here. Let me highlight two of my favorites. The first one is called Blockchain Beer. And in this demo, there's a local microbrewery that put IoT sensors in their production environment. This IoT data and the information as well from local suppliers and farmers got entered into a distributed blockchain, and it's going to give full visibility for each batch of beer that they make. As attendees, you can taste the beer that is made from these ingredients, and you can view the blockchain history of your brew, kind of farm to bottle. There's a second demo out there that's called hyper-personalized manufacturing. These days, it's popular to personalize your running shoes. What if everything that you bought could be personalized all via a chatbot or a web UI? Your clothing, kitchen dishes, any piece of merchandise. Our attendees can see this level of personalized manufacturing firsthand, and you can take home a hyper-personalized drink coaster for that bottle of blockchain beer, maybe. So you'll see robotic arms, conveyor belts, quality control systems, the best of AI and IoT at work. Now, last year, we reinvented the traditional concept of an exhibit hall, and it's now the Exchange. It's located over in Moscone South. And this is where the Oracle experts and the Oracle partners are going to showcase the latest in cloud innovation. There are 500 product demos and mini theater sessions in this area, a great place to really go get direct access to the developers who built our products. And at the heart of the Exchange is an area that we're calling the Arena. It's a unique presentation environment right on the Exchange floor. Makers, entrepreneurs, innovators, shapers of the future are all here. And maybe a small promo for my friend Rick Welts, who's the president of the Golden State Warriors. He's speaking at the Inclusive Leadership session Tuesday at 11. All of the sessions in the Arena, they're open to anyone who has a full conference or a Discover Pass. Now, in January, Oracle made history when we opened the doors of our first public high school to be built on a corporate campus. The school is called Design Tech High School, and they're bringing their students from the school to our developer exchange here in Moscone West. These students have built some really amazing prototypes. There are things like a thermographic camera for early cancer detection, a group discussion management system that they cleverly called Socrates, and an IntelliBrace, which is an ankle brace that gamifies physical therapy. I wish I had a high school like this when I was growing up. NetSuite customers are here on Thursday for what we're calling Suite Connect. Evan Goldberg is the head of development for Oracle NetSuite, and he's hosting a keynote with Kiva, DSI, and the Golden State Warriors. All three are NetSuite customers. They're going to talk about their strategies for growth. Keep going, keep growing. That is their theme. And as always, the best way to get the latest conference and session information is with the Oracle Events app. Be sure to download the app, navigate to OpenWorld or to Code One sections, and then you can use this app to create a personalized agenda for the week. Then, our customer appreciation event. It's kind of our own music festival called CloudFest. Most years, people are always asking me who the concert is, but this year, I think almost everyone knows, and that's because we've got the Grammy Award-winning Portugal the Man, Bleachers, and then our headline, Beck, is here as well. The event is on Wednesday night. It's at AT&T Park, which is home of the San Francisco Giants baseball team, and the park is only a 15-minute walk from Moscone Center. In our continuing efforts to be a truly green conference, we've really focused our event locations so that ride-sharing, public transportation, and walking, those are going to be your most efficient and environmentally friendly ways to navigate our event this week. And we couldn't bring you all of this great content, these experiences at OpenWorld without the help and the support of our partners. I especially want to thank Deloitte, our global sponsor, for their recognition at OpenWorlds globally. And thank you as well to you, our 430,000 customers. As Oracle employees, this is the week when we are really the most proud. We created this event for you, and we hope that you have a fantastic Oracle OpenWorld. Thank you.